Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessie. If it's your first time here, I hope you're all doing well. I create videos a couple times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you do want to see more videos from me. On to today's video, we have a massive Do You Even haul. So this time we will be trying on Doyoueven's new collection. We've got the Adapt range and we've also got the Scrunch Seamless collection that will be coming out in a couple of days or is already out based on when you're watching this. But we have the first look into this collection and I'm going to be unboxing, trying it on and showing you guys what it feels like, what it looks like and how it is. Let's get straight into it. Here's our packages. I also forgot to mention that I do have a discount link available for you guys, so it is 10% off. Make sure you select the link in the description for your discount and it will automatically be applied at checkout. And I will also be leaving all the items that I mentioned in this video in the link as well. Alrighty, so let's start unboxing. Here it is. Give me a little card, so cute. And the packaging is just adorable. It's got all my favorite colors in one box. For this collection, we have the pastel pinks and Cantaloupe orange. Super excited. These colors make me so happy. So I'm going to start off with the pink because pink is my favorite color. So I got the crop top in a size small because you guys know how I like my tops to be a little bit more looser. This feels so soft and amazing. This is a racerback design, obviously. It has removable padding and also ribbed detail on the waistband, which provides support. Definitely stretchy. And it's got the silicone logo at the front and also at the back here. I'm loving this color and the feel of it. It just feels so nice. I can't wait to try. We also have the seamless leggings. Oh, this is so cute. I am literally obsessed with this color. These are the scrunch bottom leggings, which help shape your booty. The waistband is really thick and it's stretchy but also quite compressing at the same time, so it helps to hold everything in. It's very supportive. I absolutely love thick waistbands and these are obviously high-waisted as well. There's also contouring lines as well to make it flattering, and I feel like the length, just by looking at it, I definitely think these will fit. Finally, in the three-piece set, we've got these seamless shorts, the shorts version. So I love how versatile it is. You can definitely switch it up from shorts to leggings and it's just so cute. With these, you've got the scrunch bottom on your booty. You've also got the contour lines that help plump them up. Compression waistband, but it is really stretchy. And also a panel in the inner leg, which helps it stretch on the thigh area as well. All of these are made with really lightweight, breathable materials. They are super cute, really stylish. Can't wait to try these. You guys, I never want to take this off. I am so loving this color. It's just so amazing. I love the fitting of it. I love the design of it. Okay, so let's start with the crop top. I'm getting a little bit excited here. So the crop top in a size small, it fits me amazing. It's not too tight, but at the same time, it's really supportive as well. And I feel like it's just really comfortable to work out in. And the color is just amazing. I already mentioned how much I love pink, and I also love the little pop of extra contrast in the colors as well. I feel like it makes it pop a little bit more. And as you guys can tell, this is so flattering. This is one of the reasons I love Doyoueven. They are just so stylish. Everything is so pretty. And it's just also very practical and just so comfortable at the same time. I absolutely love this set. So onto the leggings. The leggings actually fit me perfectly. These are in a size extra small. I am about 152 centimeters and these are full length on me. And me being quite petite, it sometimes is hard to find leggings that do fit. But I know that every time I purchase Doyoueven, the leggings just fit me amazing and I am just so in love with the fitting of it. I love the contour lines. Definitely makes my booty look really nice. I'm absolutely loving the thick waistband and how it hugs onto me. I love the compression and the support that it actually gives me. So comfortable. I'm obsessed with this whole set. I think I'm ready to work out. Next up is the shorts. So comfy. It doesn't restrict me around my thighs, and it just gives me a lot of room for extra movement and flexibility. I think that's amazing. They are such a cute length on me, and I think the fitting is just so flattering. Contour details and the scrunch details definitely makes my booty pop. So obsessed. Pink is my favorite color. What's yours? Let me know in the comment section down below. Love to hear from you. Next, we're going to move on to the Cantaloupe Orange, also in the Scrunch Seamless collection. Super excited. So this one I also got in a size small. It is the exact same design as the pink one that we just had a look at, except this is in a Cantaloupe Orange. Racer back design, stretchy and support on the waistbands, removable calves, and contour lines to make it look really flattering. Leggings, I also got this in a size extra small. Seriously, I am loving this color. It reminds me of like Starburst lollies. It's got the contrast waistband, logo on the side, scrunch bottom, contour lines, and one more in this collection, we have the shorts. You guys, I am literally obsessed. I'm so excited. Let's get these on. I love the Scrunch Seamless sets. I think I'm going to end up getting one of every single color because I love them so much. They're just so comfortable, so stylish. So obsessed with this orange as well. Sports bra and leggings, everything is in the exact same size as the pink one, and it's very consistent. It fits me amazing, just like the pink one. The only difference is the color, but I am also super vibing this color. I'm definitely feeling it. I love this color. I just feel like it's just so bright and it's perfect for spring and summer. This is definitely one of my favorite collections ever. It's just super duper flattering. It just sculpts me and fits me so nicely. I never want to take this off. And for someone that wears activewear pretty much 7 days a week, I can live and lounge around in this. It's just so comfy. Crop top is super supportive, and these bottoms, because of the scrunch and the contour, I actually feel like a peach emoji. It's so cute. I live for this outfit. The shorts, just like the pink ones, super duper comfy, really flattering. I can't even decide which one is my favorite anymore. I'm just so obsessed with all of these so far. Alrighty, so on to the second package. This is the Adapt range. Love these little messages on the box. A tank top, we've got a sports crop, we've got a jacket, we've got leggings, and we've got shorts. I'm going to start with the Adapt leggings first. The leggings I got in size extra small. It feels so smooth. These leggings are high-waisted. It has a double waistband which folds over on the inside, contrasting bands around the side and also at the top. These are so soft, these are quick drying, they're lightweight and also really stretchy as well. So we've also got the biker shorts. These are exactly the same as the leggings. They are shorts but slightly longer than the Scrunch Seamless shorts. It's got the super thick waistband here. Tank top I got in a size small. I think it will fit me. It has the high neckline. It's also a racer back design and the strap is actually quite thin. It's got removable padding. This one is just slightly longer than the crop top. It has the branded details across the bottom. Sports crop top. There's a little bag with it. Is additional straps that you can use. Cute. This crop is super duper adaptive. It's amazing. You can wear this 3 ways, which I guess is where the name comes from. It's super adaptive. You can adapt it to whichever exercise that you're doing. So convenient. And our final one in this collection that we have today is the Adapt jacket. The jacket I got in a size extra small. The sleeves have little holes on the end for you to hold on to. It's got so many pockets, but I'll show you guys everything when we try it on. So the Adapt range, we have the sports crop and the leggings on first. I am so happy with these. These are really soft. These are not seamless like the other 2 that we just tried, but they are just so smooth. It feels like you're wearing nothing. It's just so comfortable, so lightweight, really breathable. This is the sports crop that you can wear in 3 different ways. So currently I have them on at a crisscross, and you can also change it to a straight fit. And also you can change it to a halter neck. I think this is the only sports crop that I've ever owned that can actually do that, so I'm really excited to wear this out. I think it's so awesome how they even give you like a little carry case to carry your straps. The crop is a v-neck, but it's not too low and it's actually quite supportive as well. The length of the crop is also perfect on me. It's just so cute. So as for the leggings, these leggings are also full length and they are the perfect length on me. The waist section fits really well as well, and it's really comfortable. I don't feel like I'm being strangled, but at the same time I do feel like there is support and flexibility in these leggings. I actually don't feel like I'm wearing anything, so it's quite breathable, lightweight. You can move around in it, do whatever exercise you want in it. The booty area doesn't have the scrunch or the contour, but it's still super duper flattering and it just hugs me in all the right places. So this tank top is so comfortable. I love the neckline. Padding, everything just feels so soft. I love the fitting of this. So initially I did think this might be a little bit too big or it might be a little bit too long because I did size up, but it is perfect and I definitely can go a size down, so don't get me wrong. If you do like your clothes to be a little bit more tighter, go for an extra small. If you are extra small, they are true to size. Absolutely loving this tank top. As for the shorts also fit me perfectly. They fit nicely around the waist and around my thighs. These shorts are a little bit longer than the previous seamless scrunch shorts, but they are just so soft, just like the leggings. It feels like you're barely wearing anything at all, and it's just really comfortable. Buttery smooth fabric, 4-way stretch, I think it is. Onto the jacket, our last item of the day. This jacket is just so comfy. It's just very lightweight, very breathable. These jackets are full length, they are not cropped, and it's got the little holes for your fingers to pull through. And what I realized is that once you do zip it up, because it goes all the way up, there is like a little cover here on the neck to stop it from hitting your neck. Amazing. There's 2 pockets on the side here and they're almost invisible, and you've also got 2 inner pockets here, so lots of pockets to put things in. And inside the inner pockets there's actually like a hole where you can slip your cords through. I am absolutely loving the adapt range. Alrighty guys, that is all for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it as always. Like, subscribe, comment, share. You guys know the drill. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And a massive thank you to Doyoueven for providing me with these amazing outfits. If you do end up purchasing anything, don't forget to use the discount link in the description down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye now, take care.